Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Dynamic XPath. Dynamic XPath is used to locate elements whose attributes change dynamically. In many real applications, values like IDs or classes are generated at runtime. If we use exact attribute values, locators break frequently. Dynamic XPath solves this by using contains method or starts with method or partial attribute matching. This makes locators flexible and stable. In real projects, Dynamic XPath is commonly used when IDs are not generated or auto-generated, class names change or refresh, elements load dynamically based on data. Now, in the sample example, I will run the script and see how Dynamic XPath works. Here I am using a dynamic XPath with the contains method instead of full value. Notice the attribute is partially matched, not hard coded. Selenium can now locate the element even if the value changes. This is how we build stable locators for dynamic pages. Let me find the locator in the DevOps or Dev tools, sorry. So in this, if you see, I am able to find the locator using the Dynamic XPath contains method and the attribute I am processing as email. This is how Dynamic XPath is used in Selenium automation. Dynamic XPath is used when attributes change at runtime. We avoid hard coding full values and use functions like contain. We are not giving full value, we are only partially matching. Only one attribute we are using. Dynamic XPath improves locator stability in real projects.